Hey there, dreaming of your next career move? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. iGlobal is on the hunt for talented SAP security consultants for one of top MNC client just like you. Imagine working with cutting-edge technologies like SAP S/4HANA, SAP Cloud, and Fiori Security. Sounds amazing, right? But that's not all. At iGlobal, you won't just be another employee. You'll be part of a forward-thinking team that values your growth and development. We're all about innovation and staying ahead of the curve in cybersecurity. And guess what? We offer hybrid work models to give you the flexibility you need. Whether you prefer working from home or from our modern offices, we've got you covered. Balance your work and life seamlessly while making a real impact. Now let's talk skills. Are you a pro in SAP security? Know your way around SAP Cloud Identity Access Governance, IAG, and SAP NetWeaver Identity Management? How about access control and process control with SAP Governance, Risk and Compliance, GRC? If yes, you're exactly who we're looking for. iGlobal is dedicated to connecting businesses with top-notch IT talent. So if you're ready to level up your career and unlock your full potential, iGlobal is the place for you. Interested? Drop your CV at vikrant@iglobal.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to help others discover this incredible opportunity too. Click the link below to join our job channel and take the next step in your career today. Your future awaits. Thanks for watching and see you at iGlobal.